Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering how to start investing with just $100, you're in the right place. Most people think you need a ton of money to begin, but the truth is, you can start building your future with what you already have. In this video, I'll show you how to invest your first $100 smartly, safely, and effectively, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's dive right in. Before we even talk about stocks or apps, the first thing to understand is this. Investing is not about how much you start with, it's about starting it all. Even $100, when invested consistently and wisely, can grow into thousands over time thanks to the power of compounding. And more importantly, starting with small amounts builds the habit and confidence to continue investing regularly. Before investing, make sure a few basics are in place. Emergency fund. Ideally, have at least $500 to $1,000 saved up before investing. If you don't have it yet, consider using your $100 to start one. No high-interest debt. If you're paying 20 to 30% interest on a credit card, pay that off first. Investing while drowning in debt is like trying to fill a leaky bucket. Know your goal. Are you investing for retirement, buying a car, or just learning? Knowing the why helps you choose the right how. Now let's get practical. You need a platform to invest. If you're in the United States, you can start with apps like Robinhood, beginner-friendly with no fees, Fidelity or Charles Schwab, great for long-term investing. Acorns, invests your spare change automatically. These apps let you start with as little as 100 rupees or $1. They're easy to use, have educational content, and are beginner-friendly. Where to invest your $100? All right, you've got your app, you're ready to go, but where do you actually put your $100? Let's go over 5 smart beginner options. Index funds or ETFs, best for long-term. Host. Think of index funds as baskets of stocks. Instead of betting on one company, you're buying the whole market. In the US, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, or SPY. In India, Nifty 50 ETFs like Nippon India Nifty Bs. Why it's great, diversified, low risk, and perfect for compounding over time. Fractional shares, perfect for small amounts. Host, don't have $3,000 for one Amazon share? No worries, you can buy a fraction of a share. Apps like Robinhood or Grow let you invest as little as $1 or 10 rupees in companies like Tesla, Apple, or Infosys. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Host. Want to invest in real estate without buying property? Try REITs in the US. Realty Income, VNQ ETF. You get rental income and property appreciation with low starting capital. Crypto, carefully. Host. If you're feeling adventurous, consider putting $10 to $20 in crypto. Use trusted apps like Coinbase, Binance, or Uphold in USA. Start with Bitcoin or Ethereum, but don't go all in. Crypto is volatile, so keep it below 10% of your portfolio. 5. Self-invest in knowledge. Host. Finally, you can invest in yourself. Buy a book on investing, a mini course on financial literacy, or a skill-building class. $100 invested in your brain can return way more than any stock. Key tips for beginner investors. Host, let me leave you with some golden rules every beginner should follow. Start small, but stay consistent. $100 per month is better than $100 once. Don't try to time the market. It's better to spend time in the market than trying to predict it. Diversify. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across assets. Avoid FOMO. Don't chase trends or hot tips. Stick to your plan. Learn as you go. Investing is a journey. Make mistakes, learn, and improve.